The Plantronics Callisto 7200 speakerphone delivers crystal clear 360 degrees audio for small group conference rooms. This is what comes in the box. Callisto 7200 can be securely locked in a meeting room using the USB security cable. Plug the USB cable into your computer. The speakerphone will automatically power on and start to charge the internal battery. Set the speakerphone as your default audio device from your computer audio control panel. To answer a call, use your soft phone or the Callisto 7200 green call answer button. Press the call button once to answer and again to end the call. Mute a call by pressing the mute button. When on mute, the status indicator will illuminate solid red. To pair with a smartphone or tablet, ensure the Callisto 7200 is on, then press and hold the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds. The indicator light flashes blue when in pairing mode. On your smartphone or tablet, enable Bluetooth Discovery mode and select PLTP 7200. When paired successfully, the speakerphone will play a tone and the Bluetooth indicator light will turn solid blue. Whenever the smartphone or tablet is in range, it will now automatically connect. The speakerphone can remember up to 10 paired devices. To clear stored devices, press and hold the Bluetooth and volume down buttons for 5 seconds. Your Callisto 7200 will let you know it has cleared all stored devices with an audio tone and a flashing blue light. You're now ready to enjoy your Callisto 7200 speakerphone.